What is Goodbudget?
Goodbudget is a digital app designed to help you manage your money using virtual cash envelopes. Instead of tracking spending with physical envelopes, Goodbudget lets you organize your budget, separate your funds, and monitor your expenses, all from your phone or computer. This modern approach gives you a clear overview of your finances and helps you stay in control of your spending.
Getting started with digital envelopes.
To begin, create a free Goodbudget account and log in. Next, list out your regular expense categories, such as groceries, rent, and entertainment. For each category, set up a dedicated digital envelope within the app. Assign an appropriate monthly limit to each envelope so you know exactly how much you've budgeted for every spending area.
Adding and allocating funds.
Once your envelopes are set up, enter your income into Goodbudget. This can be done by clicking on Add Income and specifying the amount and source. Distribute your funds among your digital envelopes according to your budget goals. This step makes sure that every dollar is accounted for and allocated, just as you would with physical cash.
Tracking expenses in real time.
Whenever you make a purchase or pay a bill, record the transaction in Goodbudget. Select the envelope that matches the expense and enter the amount spent. The app will automatically adjust the balance in that envelope, helping you avoid overspending. You'll always see exactly where your money is going and how much you have left in each category.
Reviewing and adjusting your budget.
At the end of each week or month, review your spending patterns using Goodbudget's reports and summaries. If you notice you're underspending or overspending in certain categories, adjust your envelope amounts for the next cycle. This ongoing review helps you stay flexible and continuously improve your money management habits over time.